Howdy folks. Got a 1990 case 585. A little over 2,300 hours. Good rubber all the way around. 16.9 by 30s in the rear. 3.4 liter. Case 4-cylinder diesel engine. 4-speed manual with a high and low range. 3-point hitch in the rear. 1 remote. 540 PTO. Also comes with a drawbar as well. There's your lift arms. .540 PTO. Everything works like it should. Good running little tractor. Comes with a canopy and a front bumper as well. Now he's gonna drive it around for y'all. 4 reverse gears, 8 forward gears. There's low range. .60 horse case diesel power. A little over 2,300 hours. Good, straight, clean tractor. All it needs is a new owner. There's reverse. There's high range. He's flying now, folks. Operator does not come with the tractor. You come check this tractor out here at Southern Equipment Sales here at our lot, Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southernequipmentllc.com. We thank you for watching our video.